What's up everyone? Welcome back to Awesome Grips. A super exciting day today. I was able to spot one Sigma BF in black the day before yesterday. I talked to folks at Excellent Photo in Montreal yesterday, had it express shipped, and it came the next day, today. So let's open it up together and see what's inside. Wow, look at that. Free stuff. A USB drive. Yeah, I'm not gonna complain about free stuff. And a cleaning cloth. Yeah, no complaints about the free stuff. So let's get this box out. It's quite nice. It's a quite nice presentation from Sigma. It's very nice color. Let's put the camera in the frame. Where's the frame? Right there. Okay, so quite nice presentation on the camera. They are going with the minimalistic approach. Sigma BF camera. Yeah, they have taped over the S because it's black. Quite nice. Very nice color. Yeah, greenish, gray greenish. Let's open up the box. Sigma Aizu Japan. Looks like some papers. The Art of Engineering. Yeah, there must be some fancy words in there. We'll read that later. What else is in here? Warranty. Yep, warranty card. Start guide. Yeah. Let's get this out of the way. And I hope there's a camera inside. It would be quite funny if they decided not to put the camera in for minimalism. Whoops. So it's just a filler. Wow. Only a battery and the camera. Whoops. Where are my manners? Take the grab from the flap, man. They have given you the tab. It's quite small size battery, I'm not gonna lie. Wow, there's a nice weight to the camera. It does feel like a brick, which is quite understood because it's all metal. You know what? Let's clean up the table first. Let's get all the stuff out of the way and do a justice to the camera. And here it comes. Wow, very nice. It is quite nice. Wow, you just have to be in person to appreciate the design and the feel of this camera. This video or any other video cannot do it justice. Nice, man. Made in Aizu, Japan. And they're proud of that, which as they should be, because manufacturing locally is very, very hard. And I do know that. And it is a fingerprint magnet, which is okay. Nice, very nice design, like unlike anything else. And yes, it does have some sharp edges. It can definitely use a hand grip, and a good one. Let's put the battery in, and it has the same rubbery texture. Very nice. It's unlike anything else. Nice clicking dial. Listen to it. That's very satisfying. Yeah, nice texture. So yeah, I mean, I think this is the only camera which has that texture. That's a quite signature aspect of this camera. I will do a different video just on the design and some update on the hand grip for this camera. But in the meantime, let's put this lens on. Funny story, I purchased this lens with my Leica SL2 way back. This was the only lens they had in store, and I didn't want to purchase a $6,000-7,000 camera without testing it with the lens. But I sold that camera way back, and I wasn't able to sell this lens for, well, good reason, because the 45mm f2.8 is not quite attractive for a prime lens. But yeah, who knew that this lens would have been a perfect fit for a BF. Yeah, it's funny how things work out. And I was listening to one of the interviews of the CEO of Sigma, and given how this contemporary line lenses match with the BF camera, that wasn't intentional too. It was just coincidence. So yeah, it's funny how things work out. And it's kind of a perfect match for this camera. So I'm glad I had this lens. And I was able to find the matching color in stock. I think the silver one is still not available. Only the black one. Only at that particular store is where this camera is available. Let's take this lens cap off. Yeah, this looks all metal too. The lens cap is all metal for whatever it's worth. Ooh. Yeah, not only it's all metal, it's quite heavy. It's very heavy for whatever it's worth. It's gonna spend most of its time off the camera, because that's the job of the lens cap, to not stay on the camera. Yeah, quite nice presentation overall. Let's click it in place. Look at that. Very nice. Yeah, let's peel that sticker off. It's about time. Yeah, it looks paper. I hope I get it in one go. Yeah. I was afraid of that. I don't know why. I was afraid of that. Man. So yeah, let's get the rest of it in one piece. If I can. Be gentle. Be gentle. I'm not having a good luck. There we go. Yep. People of internet, it's quite nice. Let's turn it on. I'll go with English for now until I learn Japanese or Chinese or Danish or Dutch. We'll stick with feet for now. Time zone -5-ish. Where is Toronto? Toronto. -5. Nope. What? Is Toronto not on list? That's not nice, Sigma. Do you have to go with New York? Man, that is not nice, Sigma. Date format, month, day. Military time? No, sir. AM, PM is fine. Keep an eye on the channel. I'm planning on making a design review just to go over the design and progress on the hand grip 2 in the next video. So until then, subscribe, like. If you have anything to say, please comment. And I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.